Hi everyone, hope you're okay this week. So today I just wanted to talk a bit about another side of the business, the type of work that we do for the vintage and classic cars. So we attended a rally at Newby Hall a few weeks ago. You might have seen our Andy Statham posted a video of the stand and some of the cars that were exhibiting there. So it was a really nice day. It was good to be sort of back out and promoting the business, as we've obviously not been able to do that for such a long time. So we attended on the Sunday, and we had a stand, and we managed to take an example of a cylinder head to show the sort of the befores and afters, so there was something visual for people to see, and we had a really good response and made some really good contacts. So that worked really well. But in preparation for the exhibition, we it was a last minute decision, given the last year had been so sort of up and down with regards to whether events were going to be taking place. So we needed to organise some banners and some marketing material. So we work with digital media partner, and James thankfully was able to jump onto the job quickly, managed to get the designs drawn up and sent over to the supplier for the banners that we needed, because there was a real short lead time and we needed to get the information over to them to be able to get it in time for the exhibition. Thankfully it all went to plan and it looked amazing. Was really pleased. The quality of the work that they produced, the finished result, we were really pleased with. So I can highly recommend them. I'll make sure that I tag them into this post, but you should take a look at them. So that's about it for this week. There's a lot going on, and I'm sure I'll be updating you next week regarding other things that we've got in the pipeline, and I hope everyone has a good week.